I also acknowledge that there are many challenges that our justice system faces. For many Pakistanis, accessing justice can be an uphill task. Delays in court proceedings, the high cost of legal representation, and the lack of judicial infrastructure in underserved areas leave many feeling excluded. These challenges, along with backlog of over 2 million cases, mean that justice is often delayed. And as we know, justice delay is justice denied. This is where technology, particularly artificial intelligence, now offers hope. AI has the potential to bridge gaps in our legal system, making dispensation of justice faster, more affordable, and more inclusive. By integrating AI into our courts and legal processes, we can address long-standing issues and bring justice closer to the people. I must admit that this is easier said than done, but every difficult and challenging journey always requires a first step. Without it, the journey, be it judicial transformation and modernization, can become reality. Ladies and gentlemen, AI isn't a futuristic concept. It's a tool, is already making an impact globally. And as I said, Pakistan can benefit immensely by embracing it. For example, AI can help reduce the overwhelming backlog of court cases by analyzing case histories and predicting outcomes. This would allow honorable judges to focus on urgent and complex cases, saving time and resources. AI-powered chatbots and automated systems can also provide basic legal guidance in our local languages. Imagine someone in a rural village accessing accurate legal advice with just a smartphone. This would make justice more accessible for millions of people who currently face barriers due to distance, cost, or lack of knowledge. In addition, AI can enhance e-court systems, especially for rural areas where people often travel long distances for hearings. Virtual proceedings supported by AI can save both time and money for citizens and courts. Finally, AI tools can assist with real-time translations during legal proceedings, breaking down language barriers that often hinder justice for Pakistan's diverse population. These applications show that the AI isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. If we want to make our justice system faster, fairer, and more inclusive, however, it requires collective efforts to make sure we formulate the right strategy, utilize the right talent on merit, and ensure we are technically capable enough to implement these systems when they are developed. For this integration of AI into our legal system, we must also be guided by clear rules and proper training. As lawmakers, we have a responsibility to ensure this technology serves justice, not undermines it. Ladies and gentlemen, firstly, we need laws that ensure AI systems are fair and unbiased. AI must not perpetuate any form of discrimination. It must hold equality for every citizen. Secondly, the security of legal and personal data is critical. We need strict safeguards to protect sensitive information from misuse. Thirdly, our judges, lawyers, and court staff must be trained to use these tools effectively. AI is only as good as the people who manage it, and we must invest in building this capacity. Lastly, collaboration is essential. The government, universities, and tech experts must work together to create AI solutions that address Pakistan's unique legal challenges. These partnerships can lead to innovations tailored to our needs, such as local languages, chatbots, or tools for resolving business disputes. With the right framework, AI can strengthen our justice system, reduce inefficiencies, and even attract foreign investment by building trust in Pakistan's legal processes. Ladies and gentlemen, as we reflect on potential artificial intelligence in our justice system, let us remember that technology alone cannot solve every problem. Justice is more than efficient systems and quick decisions. It is about fairness, equity, and humanity. While AI can bring speed and accessibility, we must continue to focus on fundamental principles that define the justice society. To truly make an impact, we need strong institutions that uphold rule of law, good governance, that prioritizes the welfare of citizens, and informed public that understands its rights and responsibilities. I urge everyone here, academics, legal experts, policymakers, and technologists, to make this conference a turning point. Let us develop a clear roadmap for using AI in our legal system, prioritize legislative and policy changes, and most importantly, ensure these efforts reach the most undeserved communities. I would like to commend the organizers once again for their foresight in convening this important dialogue. This conference has the power to inspire practical, transformative solutions to challenges we face. Let us work together to create a future where justice is truly accessible to every citizen of Pakistan. A future where innovation serves the greater good and where fairness and humanity remains at the heart of all our efforts. There are 3-4 points which I want to mention. I don't want to express myself what the fathers and forefathers and myself they have contributed as a Gilani family for this country and the region. But I announced 2-3 things that would benefit the entire region. I started Yousaf Raza Gilani Cadet College, but with subsequent governments, they had always been obstacles. Yesterday again, there was a meeting between the Pakistan People's Party and the government. And number 1 point which was taken from my side was Cadet College, Multan. So, if there is a Cadet College, Multan, which I had already provided the land since 2012. But so far, it has not been implemented. One government starts, other stops. And therefore, this time, we have to be strict. We would not allow the government to stop those projects which are in process. They should be completed. Number two, I compliment Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari for giving 1 billion rupees to Multan for ID Park. This is a great achievement, and the youth will benefit out of it. I have identified land at Jalalpur Pirwala, and that is connecting the motorway through Shujabad and Jalalpur Pirwala for the special economic zone under CPEC. Still, for the second term, I have requested the PM that the special economic zone should be given to Multan, and the land has already been identified, and the Chairman Board of Investment, it is in knowledge, and now he is the Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister. But still, they are not doing it. We are quiet because we don't want to create any problems. But if they deprive my area, then I will not be quiet. They must give special economic zone to Multan. There is a company who has offered me for plants so that we can make our area green. We will take the benefit out of it, inshallah. One thing I agree with the Vice Chancellor, that instead of giving 1 billion rupees to your university for Yousaf Raza Gilani foreign scholarship, I should have given an endowment fund so that for the rest of life, people would have taken the benefit. This is my mistake, Mr. Vice Chancellor. Basti Basana Khel. Basti Basana Khel. Baste, Baste, Basti.